I'm here with my next group of presenters, Kaylee and Rian, and we're talking about your wonderful research, which I'm not even going to try to explain. I'm going to kick it over to you, Kaylee. Tell us a little bit about your project.
Okay, so we worked on asymmetrical lemon billiards this summer with myself, Ryan, and Courtney with Dr. Demers. So it's his field of research, and in this we have our lemon billiard table, which is right here. So it is a configuration of a smaller circle and a larger circle put together. And in that we looked at elliptic, hyperbolic, and ergodic configurations of this space. And here you can see that we have our configuration spaces and our phase spaces. And we were trying to find ergodicity within that, and which we didn't find, but our next conjecture would be to find ergodicity on that space. And so with that, you think of billiard tables, you think of pool, but that's not necessarily the connection. You take away the friction and you apply it to math.
Really interesting, you guys. So tell me a little bit, either one of you, whoever wants to jump in on this question, what inspired you to start working on this research? Was it a faculty member, or was it something that you were interested in your own time?
Sure, yeah, thank you. So I originally got into this research when Professor Demers reached out to me and was wondering if I wanted to pursue some mathematical research outside of the classroom. And me being inclined to, want to learn more about math and kind of build on top of what I've learned in the classroom and apply different topics all together, such as calculus, geometry, I jumped on it. And I didn't know much about billiards or dynamics before this, but now after working on it over the summer, I've learned a lot. And so it's kind of what got me into it.
Yeah, absolutely. So I feel like you both kind of touched on it a little bit, but Kaylee, tell me really how the faculty was such an integral part of this research and what that mentorship relationship kind of was like.
So this being his field of research when getting his doctorate, Dr. Demers is really passionate about billiards. So this is a specific billiard table, the lemon billiard table. The summer before he worked on mushroom billiards. So the fact that he's so passionate and has so much background on billiards, we had no idea, no background as to what we were going to do coming into it. So having the guidance and taking the couple weeks, the first 3 weeks, learning about billiards and then getting to do our own research was a really integral part of how much we were able to delve into the billiard tables. And I would just say getting the support from him the whole time and having the background of what the students had done in the past and what he's done in the past as well.
For sure. Ryan, so I feel like research isn't always the easiest. I'm sure there was some highs and some lows of this project. Can you tell me a few of your favorite memories while conducting this research, or some of the best experiences that you had while working on this project?
Yeah, sure. So to clarify, did you want me to talk about the highs and the lows or just the highs?
Whatever suits your fancy.
Sure. So I guess one of the best memories I had was, as I spoke to earlier, connecting all of the different mathematical areas together in order to solve one problem. Meeting other individuals and a mentor that had a passion in mathematics, such as me. So those were two of the highs. One of the lows was doing advanced mathematics to the point where one problem could take you all day to do, and then getting it wrong and having to redo it because you dropped a negative sign somewhere. But it was a great experience because it put an attention to detail into me that I hadn't had before. So it was turned out to be a high.
Great. I'm sure that tedious work, it obviously paid off. And kind of, I want to wrap it all up together. So we're here at the Research Symposium today. How has this experience been for you guys? What has it been like to present all of your hard work to your fellow classmates in the Fairfield University community?
So I think that's really been awesome to show all of our classmates what we worked on over summer and how much we've also worked on it through the school year. We were able to do 10 weeks of this research and conduct our beautiful poster, but then also use it through the spring semester, and then also being able to look around and see what other fields of research are being done on campus. Like right next to us, we have a nursing poster, and in the next room we have engineering posters to just see that there's different fields of research. And also having the opportunity with the different grants that are offered here gives us opportunity to delve into our research.
Wonderful. You guys are super impressive. Thanks so much for sharing all of your hard work with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.